To open an account with Capital.com, follow these steps. Visit the website. Go to the Capital.com website and click on the Sign Up or Open Account button. Provide personal information. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your full name, email address, country of residence, and phone number. Verify identity. Capital.com may require you to verify your identity and address by providing copies of identification documents such as passport, driver's license, or utility bill. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a live trading account or a demo account for practice purposes. Agree to terms and conditions. Read and accept the terms and conditions of the brokerage firm, including risk disclosures and client agreements. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your Capital.com account using one of the available payment methods, such as credit or debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. Download trading platform. If required, download and install the Capital.com trading platform on your desktop or mobile device. Start trading. Once your account is verified and funded, you can start trading various financial instruments offered by Capital.com, including stocks, commodities, forex, cryptocurrencies, and indices.